Okay, so in this question we were given data for investment and government spending levels from the years 1999 to 2012, and we had to evaluate the percentage change in investment between 2008 and 2009 using the data in the table below. So this was a question that needed us to calculate percentage changes, and the easiest way to calculate the correct answer was to use the percentage change formula, i.e. the percentage change process, which breaks the steps into calculating percentage change into a simple procedure. And it goes as follows. First of all, you do calculate the new value and divide it by the old value. Then you subtract 1 from that particular figure, multiply by 100 to convert into a percentage, round to 2 decimal places, and that then gives you your percentage change and therefore your correct answer. So in this particular question, we first of all want to identify the new and the old values. Now the new value is 2009, and because we're looking at investment, we only want to consider the investment column. So the new value in 2009 for investment is £203,824. Then we want the old value, which is 2008, and the old value for investment is £263,659. What we want to do is we want to do the new value and divide it by the old value, and that gives us 0.7730591. Then we subtract 1 away from that answer to give us minus 0.2269408. We multiply this figure by 100 to convert into a percentage form, which is minus 22.69408%. And then finally we want to round this to 2 decimal places, which in this case is going to be minus 22.69%, because the third decimal place, a 4, is below 5, so therefore we round it down and it has no impact on the next value, which is a 9. So minus 22.69% is the correct answer.